12 here, and today we are doing the Egg Roulette Challenge. You guys have been waiting all summer for this. But first, before we start, I would like to introduce you to my friends. This is Little Trouble and Cece. So, here's how it works. We hard-boiled 8 eggs, and 4 of them are raw. Whoever gets 2 raw eggs on their head first is the loser. So, we are going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Youngest to oldest, I forgot. Anyway, so, Little T is going first. I got 1. So...
Of course!
Okay, my turn.
Okay.
So I got
Cece's turn.
number 9.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ow! Okay, it's hard boiled. That was so hard.
All right.
Let me just
Ow.
hard boiled.
All right, so now it's my turn. 6. I got 6. 2, 3.
This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You gotta put it in your hair.
I did.
Ow! My head hurts.
Okay.
Okay, Caroline, my turn.
I got raw.
Okay,
Oh.
I'm just gonna put that up. So,
Well,
oh, it's a little gooey. I got 2.
let's see what you get.
These things are
It is so hard.
they're hard boiled.
My turn.
Why'd you put it back in here?
I
Oh,
got 3. Okay, obviously, it's hard boiled.
All right, let's see what you
Ow! This is so hard.
11.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, Sarah.
Oh, hard boiled.
Okay.
Awesome. Ow.
Oh, look at the ball.
I know.
I'm keeping that. 12. Hard boiled. See this little ball here? Oh, look at that.
That's a perfect ball.
Okay, my
Too
turn.
late.
I got 4.
All right.
1, 2, yeah, that's right
It's hard boiled.
Okay, so now it's my turn. I got 5.
there. Right here. Oh, this is in 2. So, wait, it was my turn.
Hard boiled.
Well, it's hard boiled.
7. Hard boiled. Okay, Cameron.
My turn. Uh-oh. This is a 50-50 chance, y'all. Wait.
After you, it's
This
me.
is 1, 2, 3, 4,
Just-
5, 6, 7, 8. Ow! Well, there.
This one's mine.
Stupid
Okay,
one.
This one's mine.
Broken.
If it's
The
hard
stupid
boiled,
one did
then
not want to break.
if it's hard boiled, then I win. If it's
Ew, look at my
it's
toe.
regular, then I lose.
Look at my toe.
We won!
Yes! Wow. Caroline should have to do a dare since she lost.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's see, what kind of dare should she do?
Let's see. Cece, what do you think should be her day?
I think she should,
Something with a water hose.
she should go to the hose and spray herself in the face for as long as possible with cold water.
Okay, so let's go to the hose.
Let's go to the hose.
2.
Are you kidding?
3.
Well, Kayla's turn.
Okay.
Wait.
You know what? I'm gonna get my revenge.
Oh my god.
that's the end of our challenge, and we'll hope to see you guys soon. Bye!
Oh my